Attention, please.
So we had lunch, we had pico
Alrighty,
spills.
folks, those 2 whistles mean we are cleared for forward motion. So at this time, we ask everyone to please remain fully seated. Sit back and relax because we are. Oh.
So we had pico spills, which is really good. There tacos. Ashley had nachos. I had tacos. They were both delicious. So now we're going to enjoy a little train ride back to Main Street, and then we are headed to Hollywood Studios.
Feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
I love the theming of their thunder.
As you leave the American wilderness, you'll pass by the dusty village town of Toad. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. The runaway train. Now I ask you, is that any way to run a railroad? The rails can carry us safely through the wild. A trip that used to take months now be made in just a few weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, many early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too, centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to tame the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts.
Alright, so we made it into Hollywood Studios. Now, we have a little surprise for you. We're gonna watch Beauty and the Beast. So, I'm excited. Ashley's so-so. She's not big on shows, but I am. So she's watching it with me. She knows it makes me happy. So, enjoy.
Offered him a single rose in return for shelter from the bitter cold. Repulsed by her haggard appearance, the prince sneered at the gift and turned the young woman away. But she warned him not to be deceived by appearances, for beauty is found within. She had seen that there was no love in his heart, and as punishment she transformed him into a hideous beast, and placed a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. If he could learn to love another, and earn their love in return, the spell would be broken. If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope, for who could ever learn to love a beast?
Bonjour. There goes a baker with his tray like always, the same old bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, monsieur.
Where are you off to?
Oh, the bookshop. I just finished reading the most wonderful story. It's about a beanstalk and an ogre.
That's nice. Marie, the baguettes. Hurry up.
Look, there she goes. The girl is so peculiar. I wonder if she's feeling well.
With a dreamy, far-off look,
And her nose stuck in a book.
What a puzzle to the rest of us as well. Bonjour, Gaston.
Who does she think she is? Right from the moment when I met her, saw her, I said she's gorgeous and I fell. Here in town there's only she who's beautiful as me, so I'm making plans to work with Mary Bell. Bonjour.
no one's slick as Gaston, no one's quick as Gaston.
No one's next as incredibly thick as Gaston.
Since no one is burly and
me, I've got biceps to spare.
No one hits like Desktop, matches wits like Desktop.
He goes spinning match, nobody spits like Desktop. I'm especially good at expectorating jack.
10 points for Desktop.
When I was a lad, I ate 4 dozen eggs every morning to help me get large. And now that I've grown, I eat 5 dozen eggs, so I'm roughly the size of a barge. I know.
Look there, he goes. Isn't he dreaming? Monsieur Gaston. Oh, he's so cute. Be still, my heart. I'm hardly breathing. There must be more than this for
Watch, I'm going to make out my life.
But then she goes into a strange mustache. I must be beauty, mademoiselle. It's a pity and no sin. She doesn't quite fit in. She really is a funny girl, a beauty but a funny girl. She really is a funny girl.
There is nothing to worry about.
No, nothing. Just our entire future.
Oh, pish posh. Be our guest for dinner.
We'll keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom.
Come along, Chip, dear.
Oh dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple.
Hi.
Stop it, I say. Do you hear me? All of you. I said quiet! If we're going to do it, then let's do it.
But of course, we must make them feel welcome. Esteemed Mesdames and Messieurs, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you. And now, we invite you to relax, pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry and beer about the rest. Soup du jour, à la gueule, why we only look to serve. Try the grace up, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, now this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on and hold your hand, you take a glance and then you'll be our guest. We our guest, be our guest. King ragu, cheese souffle, pie and pudding up a bay. We'll prepare and serve with flair and culinary cabaret. Your halal and your stare at the bears are prepared. No one's moody or complaining while the flatware's entertaining. The jokes we do tricks with our yellow candlesticks, and it's all in perfect taste that you can bet. Come on and lift your glass, we wonder of free pass. You be our guest, be our guest. It's my dining, we say be our guest, be our guest, be our guest.
I am disgraced! But I have a plan. Someone has to protect our village. Kill the beast, or he will kill your children.
Come on, men! Let's go get him! Let's get him!
The beast will make off with your children. He'll come after them in the night. No one is safe until his head is mounted on my wall. I say we kill the beast.
Kill him!
We're not safe until he's dead. No one will stop us at night. Set to sacrifice your children to his luscious appetite. Wreak havoc on our village if we let him wander free. So it's time to take some action, boys. It's time to follow me. We'll listen to the wolf in the darkness and the shadows. It's a nightmare. exciting ride. Say a prayer and you're there at the drawback of the castle. There's something truly terrible inside. It's a thief! He's got legs, just once. That's the claws to the claws of the beast. Hear him roar, see him foam, but we're not coming home till he's dead. Dead to the beast.
Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared, Beauty and the Beast.
Never just the same, never a surprise, never as before, never just as sure as the sun will rise.
Alright guys, so we just got off Slinky Dog. I was gonna videotape it, but I really just wanted to enjoy it. So, sorry, when we come back in a couple years, I'll make sure to record it for you guys. But anyways, it was a lot of fun. Ashley and I were just saying, I don't know if I would wait. Ashley said 20 minutes, I wouldn't wait more than 30. I'm glad we had a fast pass. I mean, we were in line for 5 minutes. So definitely fast pass it if you can. If not, 30 minutes, like I said, is probably the most I could wait. So we're gonna try to find some AC because it is really hot over here. But luckily, it's a gray day. Not a wet day, but a gray day. So it isn't too bad, but we're gonna get some AC, maybe ride Star Tours, and then we're gonna catch dinner. So guys, we just had Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater restaurant thing in Hollywood Studios. Oh man, the burger, the barbecue burger, delicious. The fried pickles, outstanding. And the donut, glazed donut apple pie thing, really good. Ashley says it's a little too sweet. And I'm normally a too sweet guy. I don't like really, really sweet things. It wasn't too sweet in my opinion, so I don't know what she's talking about. But she had the turkey sandwich. I thought it was a little dry, but I'm very picky when it comes to anything turkey or chicken related. So, what's she gonna do? Oh, she's trying to get the ears in. So anyways, I highly recommend that because here's what it looks like on the inside. And I meant to do pictures of the burger and her sandwich, but they kind of put it down and it disappeared before I could take a picture of it. But here's a picture of the glazed donut. So we're heading into Muppet Vision right now. So then after Muppet Vision, we're hitting Fantasmic. So see you in a few minutes. That is all you guys get of Fantasmic because I just wanted to enjoy it, and the fact that we've never seen this version, yeah, I wanted to watch and enjoy it. So overall, I liked it. I thought it was cute. I love the ending because it's more of a Steamboat Willie feeling instead of a giant Mississippi River boat. And they had many more characters than we have at Disneyland. They had Moana and Genie and just a bunch of every character you can imagine was pretty much on the boat at the end. I didn't like how much kind of World of Color feel it had, how much mist screens and not as much on the stage. But I love the Pocahontas little scene. That was, I think, almost as good as the pirate ship before they switched it to Pirates of the Caribbean. So, anyways, guys, on to day 5. So, doing a reddish tree. See if I can do the cat. Oh, that's not what I wanted.